Hello, this is IMMO801 and this is G3. Today we will use these two devices to replace the immobilizer model. And at first, we need to use this diagnostic main line to connect the device. On this end, we need to connect the car OBD. And this end, we need to connect the IMMO801 receiver. This end, we connect the G3. Now we connect this function IMMO matching, and here we need to select the carb 1, and now we select BMW, click yes. Just wait a moment. And here, this interface, you can see it will tell you how to connect the device from this information. And now we have connect the device. So here we click OK. Here we will to use this function to replace the immobilizer model. Here we need to select the anti-theft system. Now actually this is this CAS4 and CAS4 plus IMMO system. Now we select here. Now this is this system we connected, select here. Here you can see there are 8 functions. At first, we can click this function to see how to connect the immobilizer model chip, and this chip we need to remove from the immobilizer model, and also we need to use other parts. This part and this part connect G3, and after we connect to G3, and we need to connect here the chip of immobilizer model. And after we connect them, here click OK. And this function, you can read the chip ID. Here we go. You can see the ID of the chip. Before we, you can see there are 2 backup. There are 2 dates we need to backup. And before we to backup the date from old chip, we need to unlock the chip. After we unlock the chip, and so we need to backup this to date one by one. And after we backup the date and from all the immobilizer model, and so then we need to restore the date, that's to date. that's to data one by one. When we have restored that's to date, we need to log the trip. This is how to use the IMMO801 to replace the immobilizer model. That's all. Thank you.